Yeah, so let us proceed with doing basic filtering using the AND operator. Okay, just let us do one thing. I just want to implement the AND operator based on departure delay and arrival delay. Let's assume that I have something called as I just want to that question. The problem statement is that I want to say question is that uh, want to filter those flights and where the EP delay greater than or equal to 120 and DP arrival delay greater than or equal to 120 minutes. Both the arrival delay and departure delay greater than 120. I just want to make it okay. I'll just make it as a markdown. So I just made it as a question here. So let us extract that. For example, I just make condition one. I assign here my data frame is df. My column name is uh, dp delay departure delay, and I would say greater than or equal to 120. And similarly, I'll, that is condition one. And similarly, what I do condition two is equal to df. I'll make it array delay. That's a spelling. I believe spelling is correct, and greater than or equal to 120. And right, and I just say um, my data. That's the name I keep. So it's a function of data frame where I'll say condition one, and I use the operator and it's a joint. Okay, so condition two. So let me print my data afterwards, and let's see that whether it's working or not. Let's see. And so look at here, we are able to get the results here, right? Is it true or not? And yeah, that is all about applying the AND operator in terms of extracting the condition thing. And I believe you understood the same. Let us proceed in terms of working with the OR operator. And the same thing which I'm just trying to understand. This time I just want to here question two here want to extract those flights, and they have either DP delay or arrival delay. Of any kind of delay is there, I just want to extract those flight. Okay, let me proceed with that. I just have, let's assume condition one. I can make it this way, so I can say df, and I have dp delay, and I would say greater than and 0, and I just mentioned greater than 0. Then condition 2, I just mentioned df arrival delay, and also mention greater than 0. Greater than 0 means any kind of, that is a delay. I'll say my data 2 or something like that is equal to df where, and I'll just say that df condition 1 or function or condition 2 and either or. Okay, so let me print my data 2, so you'll be able to get my data. So any kind of delay which is there in this list of flight, probably it's listing that flight. Okay, it's greater than 0. That is all about applying the OR operator. And that's it. I believe you have understood the applying and OR operator in this.